In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new video in Google Vids. Whether you're looking to make a personal memory more dynamic or aiming to produce content for your brand, Google Vids simplifies the video creation process by leveraging powerful AI. Let's dive into the steps to transform your ideas into captivating videos. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Vids. It's part of the Google Workspace, an integrated suite of secure cloud-native collaboration and productivity apps powered by Google AI. Open your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Google Vids, or simply search for it via your preferred search engine. Upon reaching the Google Vids landing page, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the one you intend to use for this video creation project. This step is crucial as it syncs your work across Google services, allowing for a seamless workflow. After successfully signing in, you're going to navigate to the main dashboard of Google Vids. Here, the real fun begins. Your first action is to go to the File menu. This is typically located at the top left corner of the screen. A click on this menu will unfold a list of options. From this list, you'll want to find and click on New Video. It's a starting point that signals Google Vids to prepare a new project for you. Now it's time to give your video a topic. This is an important part as it guides the AI in sourcing related content and templates that can help kickstart your video creation. Type in your video topic in the designated field. This could be anything from summer vacation to how to bake a cake. Choose a topic that best represents the content you wish to create. After entering your topic, click on the Next button. This action takes you a step closer to the real creative process. You're now presented with a selection of templates. Google Vids offers a variety of templates tailored to different types of videos, from educational content to personal storytelling. Take your time to preview the templates and choose one that aligns with your vision for the video. A good template acts as a solid foundation, making it easier to structure your content cohesively. Once you have selected a template, the last step is to click on Done. Now you've essentially instructed Google Vids to start generating your video based on the topic and template you've selected. This is where Google's AI kicks into high gear, combining your inputs with its vast resources to craft your video. The AI's capability to pull relevant content, arrange it according to the template, and even suggest edits is truly transformative. However, remember, the creation process may take a bit of time, depending on the complexity of your video and the amount of content the AI needs to process. While you wait, it's an excellent opportunity to think about any final touches you might want to add once the AI completes the initial creation. Google Vids allows for easy editing so you can fine-tune your video, ensuring it perfectly captures your message or story. To sum it up, starting with a visit to Google Vids and signing in with your Google account sets the stage. Navigating through the File menu to initiate a new video project, entering a topic, choosing a fitting template, and allowing the AI to do its magic are the ultimate steps toward creating a compelling video. It's a straightforward process, but remember, the magic happens in customization. So, once the AI has laid down the groundwork, dive back in to add your personal touches, be it additional text overlays, music, or even voice narrations. By following these steps, you're not just creating a video, you're weaving a narrative, sharing knowledge, capturing memories, or marketing a product. Google Vids hands you the tools, your creativity drives the rest. Happy video creating, and here's to your next masterpiece coming to life with Google Vids.